Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Groner, and today we're here to do some letter sound practice. Our two newest letter sounds are the sound of B. Remember, B says B, B, B. When I make this sound, my lips touch, then open. I push some air out, and my tongue stays down. B, B, B. Our next newest letter sound is the sound of L. L says, oh. When I make the oh sound, my mouth stays open, my tongue goes to the top of my teeth, and I say, oh. Let's practice. Oh, ba ba ba. Oh, ba ba ba. Oh, ba ba ba. Oh, oh, ba ba ba. Oh, ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Oh, ba ba ba. Oh, ba ba ba. Oh, good. Now let's go ahead and put these letters with all of the other words and letters that we've learned. Practice reading all of our letter sounds. Ready? Er, ah, mmm, g g g, ah, p p p, b b b. Oh, great. Let's practice all of those sounds one more time. Remember, if there's a sound you're not remembering as we practice, go back to the original lesson and watch it again to help you remember just how to make that sound with your mouth. Let's go ahead and begin. Er, ah, mmm, bum, g, ah, pa. Oh. Great job. Thanks for practicing with me today, everyone. Remember, the more you practice, the better a reader you become. So keep on practicing. I hope to see you again very soon. Bye.